Hello students, this is Assistant Professor Dr. Nilima. In today's session, I am going to explain you how to write an exam paper. While writing exam paper, it's very important to reduce your pressure. And to do that, it is important to follow some tips. Here I am going to give you some tips for writing your exam paper. You have to read the instructions carefully given on the exam paper and answer sheet. You have to follow all instructions of supervisor. Write your exam number and other details carefully. If you have any query, feel free to ask the supervisor about it. During exam, you have to follow some things to achieve more marks. Check how many questions you need to answer and then manage your time accordingly. Follow any specific guidelines for length or format given in the paper. You have to plan your answers and then you have to select a question which is easy for you. Start writing, but start with a question you are most confident about. It's necessary that you have to write your answers in proper structures. For long answer, you have to follow introduction and then diagram. If there is diagram, you have to draw. Though in question it is not mentioned, if there is diagram in that topic or flow chart, you have to draw it and then explain it with example. Dear student, always remember your long answer must be long. Don't write short, then you will not, if you write short answers, you will not get a complete marks. Use bullet points or numbered list to showcase your all points properly. Length of answer must be with clarity and easy to understand. Always put some space between two questions. While writing short answer or short note, though the question is short note, don't write too short answer. You have to write answer directly and clearly. Again, it is compulsory to use bullet point, number list, and to underline if it is needed. When there is a problem you have to solve numericals, then you have to write down all steps clearly. Write formulas, explain your reasoning, then write ending statement which mentions your final answer. It is very necessary to review your paper after completing all the parts, all or the questions. You have to revisit any question if you skipped or were unsure about. If you want to add some more things, some more points in any answer, you have to keep some place where you can write down that points. You have to check that your exam number and other details are properly mentioned. Then make sure every answer is clearly labeled. Most of the time in hurry, student forgot to give the number of that question. If you do that, it is also a very bad impression for your exam. You have to verify all the calculations if there is any numerical. And then remember, you can do it, don't bother about it. In next session, I will explain you how to write your electronics, computer and other subject papers. So, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this with your friends. For the next video notification, you have to turn on your bell icon. Thank you.